In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently reset your Udemy course progress using a handy tool from the Chrome Web Store. This can be really helpful if you're revisiting a course to reinforce your learning or if you just want a fresh start. So let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to begin by opening your internet browser of choice. For this tutorial, we'll be using Google Chrome as it's the best fit for accessing the Chrome Web Store, where you'll find the tool we need. Now, in your browser's address bar, simply type in Chrome Web Store. This will bring up search results. The very first one should lead you directly to the Chrome Web Store's homepage. Click on that, and you'll find yourself in a space filled with numerous extensions and tools designed to enhance your online experience. Now that you're on the Chrome Web Store's main page, you'll want to look for the search bar, typically located in the top left-hand corner of the screen. Click on it and type in Udemy Reset. This is the tool that will allow you to reset your Udemy course progress effortlessly. Once you've typed that in, go ahead and press Enter. After hitting Enter, you'll see a list of search results related to your query. What you're specifically looking for is the extension titled Udemy Reset Progress. Once you spot it, click on its name or icon, which will bring you to a dedicated page providing more details about this particular tool. Here you can read about its features, user reviews, and see how it can be beneficial for your needs. When you're ready to proceed, look for the blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click on this button and a pop-up will appear asking for your confirmation to add the extension. This pop-up is Chrome's way of ensuring that you actually want to download and install this extension. Simply click Add Extension to proceed with the installation. After a brief moment, the installation will be complete, and you should notice a new icon in your Chrome toolbar, which signifies that the Udemy Reset Progress extension is now active and ready for use. With these steps completed, you can now go to your Udemy account and use this tool to reset your course progress as needed. This is particularly useful if you want to ensure that you're starting from scratch or need to retake certain lessons for a better grasp of the material. And there you have it. Following these simple steps allows you to effectively manage and reset your Udemy course progress. This can really make a difference when it comes to optimizing your learning process. Thanks for watching, and if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to guides. Happy learning, everyone!